I don't know why this is their favorite song. Why you hit her? Y'all see this foolishness going on in this house? Oh no, it stopped. Stop, don't touch Coco. Go ahead and dance. Stop, AJ, let her dance in peace. See this mess? This is what happens when you have two kids that are within a year of each other. Excuse me, 10 months, 11 months, whatever it is. They don't give each other any peace. Let go of her. Let her dance on her own. Junior, stop. Junior, stop it. Let her go. I'm going to have to give her that other microphone. Go ahead, Coco. Go ahead. Go ahead, AJ. Go ahead, Coco. Do it. All right. Yeah.